something like this. Earth थोड़ा tilt है. How much? 23 and a half. 52. 22 or 22 and a half. 22% or degree?
Division of angle between equator and
Equator.
Angle equator and
rotating axis tilted
Axis.
23 degrees. ठीक है सर.
the surface of the rotating axis.
इतना ही है कि कुछ गलत है इसमें.
ठीक है सर.
अगर ये ठीक है तो इसके बेसिस पे मैं आगे बढ़ूंगा.
सर.
अगर ये ठीक नहीं है तो फिर रुक जाएंगे यहाँ.
नहीं ठीक है.
इससे करेक्ट मान के मैं आगे बढ़ूँ.
23 22 बीच में से
Where is India? Approximately, वो तो rotate होता रहेगा. So where I should consider India? Here, America. Here, here, North and South.
yes sir.
Though it doesn't appear to be India or America, but consider it as North America, South America, and India,
Yes,
or
India.
somewhere here.
India should be shown above the center line, equator.
Should be shown above the center line. Here,
Yes,
Africa somewhere here.
yes.
Like this.
Yeah.
और इसके नीचे कहाँ पे?
नीचे भी है सर, बहुत नीचे है.
साउथ अमेरिका थोड़ा
साउथ अमेरिका है.
साउथ अमेरिका में
बहुत
से
ही-
पास होता है क्या?
या इक्वेटर.
Equator.
Yes.
So we consider like this.
या इसको
Okay. This is India. This is South America. This is North America. This is Africa. Somewhere like this. Where is extend this like this place and like this from here 23 or 22 say in between this line and this line bisected. How you bisect it? बच्चे लोग कैसे करते हैं? Like this,
Yes.
like this,
Yes.
like this, and from like this center point
Connect.
and line.
Yes.
Out of this, take the center part here. This should be the place of Bermuda Triangle. Somewhere here.
Yes.
Then should be, or I can say this must be the place of Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle cannot appear on any other side. यहाँ पे पॉसिबल है ही नहीं, यहाँ पे भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, यहाँ पे भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. It cannot exist except this place. Why? Is it not questionable question?
Yes.
You must ask why it should not be in any other place or why it cannot exist in any other place. लेकिन अब मैंने पूछ लिया है, so you have to answer.
The magnetic field may be highest or the
Diagonally opposite to that also in the other opposite quadrant. The same magnitude of magnetic field must be there. So that cannot be.
absence of field is there, excessive field is that side there. If you like, opposite side the absence of field, zero. There is maximum.
What is this place called? Or you can say this is North Pole, this is South Pole.
Tilted.
You are saying somewhere between 22 and 23.
Sir.
23,
I
sir.
suspect it.
23 and a half, sir.
Correct.
23 and a half is right.
Yes, 23 and a half.
So, Bermuda Triangle must be here like this, matching this angle, and this angle. Of course, this shape is not like this sharp. It is not like this. There must be some variation, like though it doesn't appear to be triangle, but somewhere like this, or you can say like this, but almost like this, you can say. If you see from the top, you will see like this. Earth's surface is not plane. That's why this is not exactly like this, somewhere like this. अर्थ में पूरे जगह प्लेन नहीं है, इस रूम में जैसा प्लेन है वैसा प्लेन नहीं है. There are ups, there are downs, there are seas, oceans, mountains,
Surface curvature.
differently, and tilt भी है. That's why shape is little bit different. Due to this, shall I repeat? यहाँ पे जो करंट्स हैं, ड्यू टू टिल्टिंग ऑफ द अर्थ, यहाँ पे करंट्स फोर्स में आते हैं. इट्स नॉट दैट कि पानी बह जाएगा. द फोर्स ड्यू टू मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. डू यू नो हाउ द ग्रेविटेशन appears, or you can say how it acts? Due to which reaction the gravitation is the outcome? Gravitation is the outcome of which reaction?
Repulsive force between two bodies.
Repulsive force, no. if you would have said
Centripetal, sir. Centripetal. Yes.
attractive force,
Attractive force.
I would have accepted to some extent, not fully. You know about magnetic field and its structure. You know about this? Little bit at least.
We have seen.
You know Earth and its different layers. Due to the friction produced, like this surface revolves like this, like this.
The core.
There is a difference in speed in revolution. Maybe some layer that revolves like this, reverse and anti-way, anti-clockwise or clockwise. Due to that a friction produced, and due to that friction some force produced. There are lot many causes, lot many reactions that takes place. Out of that, one force that comes out resulting to gravitational force. Out of the many reasons, one reason is frictional force. Okay. Here, the magnetic field is more due to this Bermuda Triangle and due to the tilt of North Pole. Do you know the vector algebra? The gravitational pull is downwards. This pull is again downwards or upwards. North pole and south pole. Going over it.
The south plate in terms.
Tell me about this. This force. This is Earth. This force. Somewhere some force is here. What is that force? If it is not pull, the force or the thrust is upward or downward or sideways.
फोर्स तो सभी तरफ सेम है, इक्वली है।
यहाँ पे
It is upwards.
your weight on India in India is different from this place. If you go to this place, your weight will be different. If you are in India, your weight will be different. If you are in America, your weight will be different. Surprisingly, yes.
In some grams, not much.
Definitely. So, how can I proceed? Do you know vector algebra?
Resultant force, two forces acting in different directions. Same direction.
One force is Bermuda Triangle force. If we take this angle, top angle, the 3D dimension, if we take the three-dimensional figure, say about like this, the upward force, the inward force like this, if this is the circle, the inward force and upward force. how we can make the vector sum of that, of all these forces. Also the rotation of the earth. Earth rotates like this or like this.
From left to right.
West to east.
From here to here.
Yeah.
West to east.
Yes, sir.
It rotates from west to east.
This is west.
Yes.
This is east. West to east means like this
Yes.
or like this.
No, sir.
Like this.
Yes.
If this moves like this and the force is from here, resultant should be here. I cannot explain in 2 dimension. You have to make the 3-dimensional figure in your mind. See how it is possible. Can you put on mine? Think about the earth. It is rotating with some angle. It is tilted 23 degrees, 23.5 degrees, and it is rotating. Just make a picture in your mind. Locate the North Pole. Located?
Yeah, yes.
Locate the Bermuda Triangle zone. Now see the rotation of the earth, angular movement, gravitational pull, and the force of Bermuda Triangle. It will be like this. Force will be like this. Are you able to imagine? Like this. This is like this, not like this. Like this. You can take it as the 4th dimension, not the length, breadth or height. It is the 4th dimension. You can only judge in your vision how it could be. Just imagine the picture. 4th dimension must be like this. Like this. You cannot say it is a curve, but it appears to be a curve. It is not the curve. If you are sitting on the earth, you will definitely say it is curve, because something like this is definitely a curve. But if you go beyond the plane of earth, where you don't measure length, breadth and height, or 1 second, 2 seconds, 1 hour, 2 hours, where you don't have these dimensions, you can see the 4th dimension, which appears to be a curve but not a curve. Is it very difficult to grasp?
Just remember it.
If it is difficult, then just grasp it. We will analyze sometime after, later. So the 4th dimension is like this. Due to that 4th dimensional force, the currents, AD's current produce like this. Due to this, a lot of heat generates, a lot of current produces, which causes this high tides. Which causes the natural disasters, tufan and all those things. So where is the heat? पानी गर्म हो जाता है क्या? Maybe yes, to some extent. बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल में क्या होता है?
Material is going, it is disappearing. It is getting attracted.
डिसअपियर हो जाता है. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल?
Because by attracting it, it is sunken in the water.
Disintegrates.
Maybe disintegrates.
Disintegrates.
Disintegrates, yes.
Disintegrates to in such a way that nothing of it will be visible or noticeable. That is how anything going there gets there, but no trace of it.
As fourth dimension is not yet been proved. I said proved.
Yes.
A few definitely said that fourth dimension is there, but it has not been 100% proved.
Yes.
So as it has not been proved 100%, we are unable to find the
That's
what?
right.
Reason for Bermuda Triangle.
Misery of Bermuda Triangle. Lot many predictions have been made. बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत सारी क्या किया है? उस prediction को क्या कहेंगे? हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं prediction को? सुनाई नहीं दिया मुझे. भविष्यवाणी ठीक है, मान लेते भविष्यवाणी, बट नॉट एग्जैक्ट.
पता नहीं.
अनुमान
अच्छा, अनुमान बेटर है. तो बहुत सारे लोगों ने एक ऐसा अनुमान लगाया कि बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल में कुछ चीज गायब हो जाती है. क्यों गायब हो जाती है पता नहीं, एक मिस्ट्री रह गई है. मिस्ट्री को क्या कहेंगे? एक रहस्य रह गई है. अब तो नहीं रह गई है मेरे ख्याल से. हाँ, इसके बारे में हमको बहुत सारा चीज सीखना पड़ेगा. वेक्टर अलजेब्रा क्या होता है, मैग्नेटिज्म क्या होता है, फ्रिक्शन क्या होता है, ग्रेविटेशन क्या होता है, ये कुछ चीजें हैं. मिनिमम एंगुलर वेलोसिटी क्या होती है, अमेरिका में ही क्यों पड़ता है, अर्थ में क्यों नहीं, ये यहाँ पे इंडिया में क्यों नहीं होता. इंडिया का रोटेशन ऐसा है, यहाँ से रोटेट होगा ऐसे, फिर घूम के ऐसे आएगा. अमेरिका का रोटेशन कैसा है? इसका थोड़ा अलग हो जाएगा. तो अमेरिका के इक्विवेलेंट में कोई और नहीं है कि जहां पे होता होगा. कुछ जगह पे होती है,
जापान.
पर इफेक्ट उतना नहीं है. यस, जापान, जहां पे उसका इफेक्ट दूसरा है. अर्थक्वेक्स थोड़ा डाउन ऑर्डर में आएंगे तो वेस्ट बंगाल भी है. लेकिन वहां इफेक्ट उतना नहीं है, ड्यू टू इट्स लोकेशन, ड्यू टू लोकेशन ऑफ अगेन बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल एंड दिस नॉर्थ पोल. तो साउथ पोल का कोई रोल नहीं है क्या?
It holds together. South Pole high करके ही तो small thing is in stable condition.
Cannot be north pole.
Yes. Your magnetism is not complete.
ओके, अभी तक जितना डिस्कस किए, एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एनीबॉडी, कोई भी प्रश्न पूछिए.
Is there any involvement in Bermuda Triangle? Which type of involvement is there in Bermuda Triangle?
Environment, you have to experience.
Come back to tell us.
Environment, it seems nothing, but you feel lot many things.
there is no matter there.
It seems nothing, but you can feel lot many things. How you feel in Dhyan Prasthan? How you feel in some silent place? How you feel?
Peace. Harmony.
No, a lot of noise you feel. दो कोई आवाज सुनाई नहीं देती है, लेकिन आप बहुत शोर महसूस करते हैं।
कान में गूंजते रहते हैं।
कुछ कान में गूंजेगा, कुछ हैवीनेस लगेगा, मन ठंडा हो जा रहा है लेकिन भारी भी हो जा रहा है। मंदिर जा रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है? घंटी की आवाज अलग है, लेकिन कुछ एक ऐसा एनवायरनमेंट है जो आपको शांत भी कर रहा है और बहुत शोर भी मचा रहा है। यू फील दैट। अगर एनर्जी लेवल और इंक्रीज कर दें, यू फील रेस्टिंग। आफ्टर दैट you feel unable state, unable to dash whatever you could, unable to breathe, unable to think, unable to drink. After that, unable to stay physically. The energy level increases so high that it splits your body, it breaks your cell, it breaks the cell wall, it enters to the nuclei of your cell. It affects the nuclei, it affects your nature. Once it splits your cell, slowly you die. After that, your body gets dissolved. You might have seen not many bodies after death. If they are burned, what happens? Turn into ashes. If I produce more heat, even more heat, to destroy ash, what will happen?
Nothing will happen.
Because energy doesn't.
Nothing can be done to ash. It can be done. What can be done to ash?
Become air or something.
I further diffuse that. I further produce, or I can say I further split the cells. After that, it becomes air.
It becomes air. Yes.
Means not visible to you
Yes.
at least.
Yes.
So that happens in Bermuda Triangle. And the total reaction time is so less,
No,
it appears to be magic. It appears to be a mystery. The reaction time is very less. If I take it as 1 unit of force, Bermuda Triangle, if I consider it as 1 unit of force, I take at least this much for black hole.
What is force on our country or
What is the force on?
India? Bermuda Triangle is
Effect of Bermuda Triangle is very less because they are on two sides of the world. Effect is less of Bermuda Triangle. Though England is very much nearer than America, but the effect on America is more due to the rotation of the earth. Any other question? कुछ भी पूछना है इस विषय से लेकर? इस एनर्जी से भी बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जी जहां यूनिवर्स का ओरिजिन है वहां पे। ब्लैक होल इज नॉट द ओरिजिन ऑफ यूनिवर्स। ब्लैक होल इज अ पार्ट ऑफ यूनिवर्स।
process.
It's a process, you can say. There is a concept called singularity in black hole. You must learn that, or at least you must know something about that. Then we will proceed with the topic black hole. Any other question regarding this? कोई भी प्रश्न इस विषय से लेकर?
What is the area of thermodynamics?
Calculate it, or you can find it on internet. It's very simple. जो जनरल है वो तो आपको कहीं पे भी मिल जाएगा, ये शायद मुश्किल होगा, इसलिए मैंने ये बता दिया।
How it is affecting the environment, sir, that the external, that is air, water and the...
Yes, it affects. Due to North Pole and due to South Pole and due to tilt of the earth, the environment varies. Generally, ये place और ये place ठंडा रहता है, and the center portion is hot. श्रीलंका से लेकर अफ्रीका से लेकर साउथ अमेरिका तक गर्म रहेगा। इस बेल्ट में जितने भी लोग होंगे थोड़े डार्क शेड के होंगे, ऊपर और नीचे डिफरेंट होंगे। सो इंडिया कम्स जस्ट अबव। तो साउथ में केरलियंस, तमिलियन, आंध्राइट्स थोड़े से डार्क कॉम्प्लेक्शन के होंगे कंपेयर टू नॉर्थ साइड के। बट एट द सेम टाइम मिडिल ईस्ट वाले मिडिल ईस्ट थोड़ा सा ऊपर है। मिडिल ईस्ट मतलब कौन से कंट्रीज आते हैं? सऊदी अरेबिया, ईरान, इराक, ये सब, और अफ्रीका थोड़ा नीचे आएगा।
But Africa is extending very much below the equator, sir, but most of the people in Africa are black.
But still, this distance is much more
Very large.
compared to this distance.
That's
आपके मैक्सिमम इक्वेटर के ऊपर या इक्वेटर तक पूरा पॉपुलेशन रहेगा, लोअर साइड में बहुत कम। ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी काफी ऊपर है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया के नीचे बहुत है और स्पेस। ऑस्ट्रेलिया टू जापान is this distance is less compared to Australia to South America or South Pole, I can say.
Is the hurricanes regular, sir, or has it got any effects of or other planets, the gravitational force? Because generally we don't see that every 10 years or every 2 years it comes.
regular.
They're regular. Okay, that's what I'm asking.
Regular to some extent, irregular to the most extent.
Severity is also very.
There are some reactions which are natural, I can say, which are periodic, or which I can say continuous. But there are some effects which are caused due to some particular reason. That can be the complete one revolution, one rotation of the earth around sun, or the one rotation of the galaxy, or there must be some planets. May not be these 9 planets, may or may not be. which affects the solar system, which affects these forces to make some changes, to make some natural disaster even worse than previous one. Any other question? So I think I have given a lot many opportunity to you. Now you can say the topic of your choice.
Okay, question.
Okay, ask.
ये resultant force यहाँ से
इस तरफ सरफेस लेवल पे इफेक्ट आता है, इस तरफ ग्राउंड लेवल पे बिलो सरफेस लेवल इफेक्ट आता है। इस तरफ मैग्नेटिक फोर्स एंड एडी करंट्स का इफेक्ट होता है, इस तरफ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स एंड फ्रिक्शन का इफेक्ट होता है। इस तरफ स्लाइड्स प्लेट्स जो होते हैं वो मूव करते हैं,
टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स।
यस। और इस तरफ जो होता है, ड्यू टू दिस what due to Bermuda Triangle, some forces are pulled back and some forces are thrown away. That produces this surface level effect,
Rising tidal waves.
tides. Come into effect. Lot many changes happen after 3 to 3.5 years.
Solar eclipse is happening sir every year. Every 5 seconds.
Every second solar eclipse happens, but on America, on that particular region, every time there is a solar eclipse, but not every time on Earth, not every time on that particular place. I am talking about that particular place. So after 3 to 3.5 years, approximately, some changes happens, and it must happen. That is natural.
origin of gravitational forces, rotation of different layer of Earth inside Earth.
Yes. I am saying this is not the only reason. This is one of the basic reasons. Yes.
Can that affect area of Bermuda Triangle?
No. No. The area of Bermuda Triangle is fixed. It cannot be changed. Why? If you tilt the Earth back to 90 degrees, it will definitely change, or I can say it will vanish. If I tilt the Earth and make it straight, it will vanish.